Medical consumables and disposables are essential to modern healthcare, supporting safe patient care, infection control, diagnostics, and clinical procedures. From syringes, catheters, surgical gloves, masks, and forceps to wound care products, diagnostic kits, and single-use medical devices, manufacturers must maintain the highest standards of quality, precision, and regulatory compliance. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of medical consumables and disposables manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From product design and bill of materials to procurement, production planning, moulding, assembly, sterilization, quality inspection, inventory management, packaging, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize machine utilization, workforce allocation, and material availability.